Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious butter garlic broccoli. It is super simple and really easy recipe which you will absolutely love it. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, in a hot pan add 2 tablespoons butter. Then add 5 to 6 chopped garlic cloves and fry this until nice and brown. Then add 1 sliced onion and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Something like this. Then add 1 bunch or 400 grams of broccoli and fry this for about 2 minutes. Then add 1/4 cup water and fry this for about another 2 minutes. Then add some salt to taste and cook it until the broccoli is nice and soft. Then take half tablespoon corn flour and add 1 tablespoon water. Mix this nicely and then add this to the broccoli. Cook this for about a minute. And then add 1 teaspoon red chilli flakes. This is optional if you like some heat in it, or else you can skip this. Then mix everything nicely and serve it nice and hot. There you go, the recipe is ready now. This is a super simple and very easy recipe that anyone can make it. So I hope you will try this recipe at home and let me know in the comments below how do you like it. If you like this recipe guys, then please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. There are so many other recipes on my channel, so please do have a look. And thanks for watching my recipe guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.